Good day, everybody. My name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory, and they call me the Spa Man. Occasionally I'll get a call from a homeowner that says their hot tub has way too much foam in it. They've changed the water, they've changed the filter, they put a new cover on it, they keep cleaning it, and they just can't get the foam out of the hot tub. Normally what I think happens, I'm not quite sure, is that when the homeowner cleans their bathing suit or their towels, they're not getting all the suds out of the rinse water when it's going through the rinse cycle inside the washing machine. Therefore, you still have excess detergent left either on your bathing suit, or sometimes women that have long hair don't get all the detergent and all the soap or the conditioner out of their hair. Well, there is a fix for this and stuff. The chemical is called Defoamer. It works fantastic. As you can see, this hot tub has a ton of foam. I normally will take the filter out of the hot tub and I'll turn it on high. And I'll put a couple drops right where the filter is. And it sometimes takes just a little bit of time, and you can see the foam is dissipating. You can also see I did not put that much of this in there. Again, a couple drops. You don't need to squirt a ton of it in there. If you watch, the foam will disappear pretty quickly. Go around and kind of wash it away from the sides. And I haven't even put that much in. I definitely have not put the recommended amount that they claim to put in there. I kind of treat it like soup. I use very little. A couple squirts. See if I can get it to go away completely. I think we're pretty close. Turn down the pumps. See where we're at. That's not too bad. So if we turn off the air valves, now I'm turning off all the air valves, or that's all I have is the hot tub running on the pumps. That's not too bad. I think we cleaned up that foam nicely. Turn it back on. Let's see it. And I'm going to put just a little bit more in. Spa Guard Anti-Foam. Excellent product. I definitely do endorse this product very much. I don't sell the product, but I've used the product for years, and as you can see, it works fantastic. We'll walk around it one more time. We'll turn on the air valves. Okay, the air valves are now on, and we definitely do not have as much foam in this hot tub as we did. We have bubbles, but not foam. So, this one off. So, that fixed our problem. Anyways, I hope that helps with homeowners having problems with too much foam in the hot tub. I think it's either caused by not getting the shampoo out of your hair, or not getting all the suds out of your clothing when you're washing your clothes. So anyways, there is a quick fix. Just kind of treat it like soup. Use a couple drops at a time, You definitely must take the filter out. Okay? And with that, remember, it's just a hot tub in the backyard. It's full of water, it heats up, and it blows bubbles. Don't go crazy. Until next time, my name is Scott. They call me the Spa Man. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, everybody.